Abraham's family spent $114 on 2 adult tickets and 4 youth tickets to a sporting event. George's family spent $143 on 4 adult tickets and 3 youth tickets. What is the price of each ticket? Well, again, we should define our variables. So let's let X equal the price of an adult ticket and Y equal the price of a youth ticket. And then we'll try to set up equations from here. So sentence 1 says, Abraham's family spent $114 on 2 adult tickets and 4 youth tickets. So 2 adult tickets would be 2x, and 4 youth tickets would be 4y. So this term gives us the amount of money spent on adult tickets. This tells us how much money was spent on youth tickets, and altogether that should equal $114. So the second scenario is that George's family spent $143 on 4 adult tickets and 3 youth tickets. So in this case we get 4x plus 3y is equal to 143. And there we have our system of equations that we then need to go through and solve. So I noticed that one of these equations has values in it that are all even. So why don't I just take that and simplify it so then we're dealing with a little bit smaller numbers. So I'm going to take this equation right here and divide the entire equation by 2 to get x plus 2y equals 57. See how the numbers are a little bit smaller and easier to deal with now? And in fact, we can now solve for x. So we get x equals 57 minus 2y. And we can use that to substitute into the other equation. So doing that, we now take this equation, and that becomes 4 times, but instead of writing x, we're going to write what x is equal to, 57 minus 2y, making sure we use parentheses so that we're multiplying that entire expression by 4. So this 4x became 4 times 57 minus 2y. And then from the original equation, we now have plus 3y equals 143. And we'll continue up here. So continuing up here, we get that 228 minus 8y plus 3y equals 143. So 228 minus 5y equals 143. Subtracting 228, we get negative 5y equals negative 85. Divide by negative 5, we get y equals 17. And then if you go back and plug y equals 17 into either of your original equations, you should be able to solve for x equal to 23. So we have figured out that the price of adult tickets is $23, the price of youth tickets is $17.